guys, as I promised in the last video, this is a data science roadmap step number 3 video about networking. Data science is one of the hottest industries nowadays, so networking is crucial. We'll see together now what is networking, why is it so important, and how can we do networking. These short videos are part of the data science roadmap from Zero video. You can find the link in the description, watch it, let me know what you think if you have any questions, and let's go. So networking, as defined of course by Google Dictionary, is the action of interacting with other people to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. Adding to this, where it's not just for social contacts but also to develop skills, listen to others' ideas, opinions, and learn to adapt, give, and of course accept to receive feedback. Why networking is so important? So the purpose of it is to share knowledge and resources, and of course for career growth. Also, it's greatly important to develop a good reputation with a wide range of people. Cool, right? Where there are definitely hundreds of training opportunities, seminars, and events to attend online. Now, learning how to do networking, of course, LinkedIn is one of the most popular and efficient ways for networking. Online business networking events, virtual networking, there are many groups and teams focusing on networking opportunities, and you can of course join online communities. You can find this on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and many more. Some really important things, guys, to remember to avoid is to not consider and build contacts just for the short term, and share your knowledge with other people, help them so they can help you, and of course accept opinions, others' comments, and be open to new ideas. So guys, consider networking and build this skill, since this can open more doors and help you for personal and career growth. Stay tuned, click the button to subscribe, and the next video is about how to communicate data and insights. Thank you for watching.